Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. So today, guys, we are going to be saving some money in one challenge. I want to see how far I can get with it because I'm really wanting to finish this to put with the other money I've saved to send with the mortgage. So we're going to get started. There are a few couple of new ones in here, so don't stress out. I know it looks like a lot, but when you finish one, you can start another one. So this one right here is knocking debt out of my life. Everybody knows I love Lisa over at Lisa Grateful Me, and I love supporting her shop when I got the money. Lisa has always supported me ever since I started my channel, and I just want to show her my appreciation of how much her support means to me. I mean, she's just been one of my biggest fans and supporters, and just she's such a wonderful lady, and I love her channel. I got a lot of my ideas from Lisa, so thank you, Lisa. So we are going to be skipping over these, and I am going to be working on this one. It's going towards the mortgage. So I'm going to see how far I can get with roll the dice on this one. And we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. We got $28 to work with today, so we're going to see what we can do here. And the first one is a 4. And I got to find my pen. So we will put 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 2. Oh, 1, 2. I'll put that there so I don't get confused. Another 2. 1, 2. A 4. Well, it looks like 4s and 2 are going to do it today. I'll put this 5 here and take out 1. So we'll have extra. Okay. Well, I put 5 in. Now I got 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4. So then another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we are going to take this money here. Pull that 5. And we saved in this little roll the dice challenge 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. $43 in this one. So guys, what I'm going to do is we're going to take this one out. I'm going to put the money in here because this was for the mortgage. And I'm going to get my other bonder that I've got. And it's car. This is mortgage. So on 1, 3, we added, oh, let me recount it. I forgot to put it down. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay, 43. And so we have a total of 60 in here. Supposedly this one. So 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. And guys, if you're new and you're just watching, I find the D on the $1 bills and I use that as debt, but it's going into the mortgage. So that's the reason why all these ones has got D's on them. So this will go into here. And let's see what we got left over here, guys. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. I have $4 left. And as you all know, back sometime I had got the 100 envelope challenge off of Amazon. And it come with these envelopes like this, and it was a scratch off. Let me see, it was a scratch off, and you just put the little scratch off stickers on the back of the envelope, and then you pull an envelope and you scratch it off. But what I'm using this for is, like, if I've got some money left, what I will do is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have $4 here, so I will just pull out an envelope. It don't matter what it says. You could put $99 in it, or I got $4 left. I'm just going to put this in here. Seal it, and then it came with a little, it was 3-way cut. It comes like with a little slip-off box. And as you can see, with some of the money that I've had left over, I've already started this. I don't know how much is in here. I'm just going to fill up the envelopes and whatever is left with it when I get done with 100 envelope, or midway through if I want to. I'll just take it out, count it up, and put it towards either the car or the mortgage. I'm really wanting to get my car paid off this year, so it may go towards my car. And you'll see a lot of my challenges. I love making them fun. Fun way to save money. Just do what you can and put it wherever you want to put it to. That is the best thing ever. So this is what I'm doing, and I'm trying really hard to get my bills and stuff all caught up from this year. This little cute, I'm trying to keep track. I love this. It is so cute. It's an account tracker, and it's like a checkbook little thing. And I'm just going to give you a sneak peek right quick. I am keeping track. So with that said, guys, remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.